Yo, what's up everybody? It's your boy Easy here. So a lot of you guys been asking me about the setup with the my computer setup, how I got for my Legion Go 2 Z2 Extreme, also with my Aoostar I think that's how you pronounce it. AGO2 dock. Currently right now I'm using a 3060 OC. I think it's a 12 gigabyte. Yeah, 12 gigabyte GPU. I got my whole setup set up with it. I moved everything around, so I'm literally gaming right here. So at no further ado, let's get over here real quick because I gotta flip over the camera real fast and show you guys exactly how it is. So give me a second. Okay, so this is my regular gaming setup. As you can see, the new Stream Deck Plus XL. As you can see right there, got the new buttons, everything. My cheat codes, which is not a cheat code, it's just the codes for Resident Evil Requiem. I actually platinum the game. Well, PC is different, so I don't know if it's platinum or 100% complete the game. I don't know how you basically with PC, but this is the setup right here. As you can see, my setup right there for the Nintendo Switch 2. Now I do have another dock right here, which is right there. Probably can't even see it, but let me just turn on the light real fast. As you can see right there, we got the dock right there. I'm gonna put my 1070 in there or my 1080, or I might put a 5070 whatever inside of it. I'm not completely sure exactly what GP I'm gonna put over here, but this is my setup right here. This is something I'm getting ready to review and unbox. This is something that was sent out to me by Ergo. The reason why they sent this out to me is because I'm having problems with my streamer cables right there. As you can see, it's supposed to be pink, but it's like a reddish color. It's supposed to be that color up there, and the thing is just burning out. So they sent this out for me to do a review and talk about the new stuff, because now it's with Signal RGB and Open RGB, which I currently have Signal RGB on my computers, on basically on all my computers. So yeah, I basically have that. As you can see right here, I have Signal RGB right there. Like I said, I have it on all my computers. That's my setup right here. So basically, when I'm streaming and things like that, I do love the new Stream Deck XL right here. I got all my stuff really set up for everything how I want it. As you can see right there. Even like this, if I do, let me see this. Actually, I don't know. There it goes. Like that. My height Y70 with the touchscreen right there. I got the Resident Evil thing right here, and this is the ThermalRite Wonder Vision 360. I got the Resident Evil thing going on right now. As you can see on the white 20, the height 20. I'm sorry, height 20. Jesus Christ, the height 70 touch. Got the Resident Evil stuff going on right here. Got this going on right here to see my FPS counter, so I don't have to turn my FPS counters on when I'm in the game. I have it on right here. But this is basically how I have everything set up. Got my Stream Deck XL right there. I'm sorry, XL. My Stream Deck Plus, whatever. My regular Stream Deck right here. Microphone. Then here's the dock with the 3060 right there. Camera right here. And the other thing right here. I do have another computer that's sitting down here. Only reason why it's not on is because I'm currently not using it. This is rocking with my 40s. Actually, this one is rocking the i7. Jesus Christ. I'm rocking with the i7 11700K or 11700. I don't remember the freaking thing on it. I gotta look at it. With 32 gigabytes RAM, with 4070 Ti Super OC. This thing just is a beast with it. Even with the motherboard is MSI Mag Z490 Tomahawk, and this one right here is a Z790. What was this? A Z790 Gaming Pro Wi-Fi. That's what that motherboard it is. That one is running with an i5 12600KF. I'm getting ready to upgrade it to a If y'all know, I had a i9 14900K. I gotta go back and get another one because I don't know what happened to it, but I had to get a new CPU. So I'm waiting for that to come out. So not come out, but I'm waiting for it to be available so I can rebuy it like that and upgrade my CPU again. If you hear me stuttering, I'm tired. It's 12:03 in the morning. I have not slept yet. Just making this video for you guys real quick. So yeah, like I said, computer down there. Just turn it on for you guys to see. You guys can see right there. The thing is, the reason why I upgraded it and changed things around because one of my RGB headers on my motherboard broke off. So I only have one header. Normally this would be in blue, so I basically use Signal RGB for all my RGBs to get the colors that I want like that. Call of Duty on here, like Call of Duty Black Ops 7, I get about 240 frames per second. For some weird reason on here, I'm only getting like 100 and something frames, like 180. That's just switched over because I got it connected to my PC when I'm doing live streams. I'm only getting like 163, 120 frames, and basically it's because of my CPU. I am gonna have to update to I might update to a i7 14, I think a 14700. I gotta look at the CPU. I'm not completely sure what I was told to get. So I won't have the problems. People was literally telling me don't buy the i9 14900K because the simple fact is it's just gonna waste the money. So unless I'm willing to spend that money, so I don't know. I might buy it. I might not. I'm not completely sure what I'm gonna do yet. But yeah, this is just the setup, guys. I'm about to go to bed. I'm tired. I'm gonna watch some movies, eat something real quick, and go to bed because I'm always up. I never sleep, and I just do too many things. So yeah, that being said, guys, let me turn this computer off because I don't keep it on. Turn off. Okay, there we go. And we're gonna keep this on, and I'm gonna catch you guys later. That's it, and I'm out. Deuces. One.